entertained?
Oh, hey there, Yanni, back again, all new White Rock Dodge, and who better to tell you about a Gladiator than a Gladiator? Right now, at the all new White Rock Dodge, you can come on down and take advantage of the biggest discounts on Gladiators. We're talking discounts as much as up to $4,000 off, only while supplies last, because these things are selling out quick. You don't want to miss out on the all new Jeep pickup. This is the vehicle for you. Take it anywhere, do whatever you want, exactly what a Gladiator is meant to do.
Now you are entertained!